What's good, YouTube? It's Razor Ray. I'm here y'all with another video. Today's video, package in the mail from FedEx. You already know what time it is. I've been waiting for my Diablo tuner for a couple days now. I ordered it for my 2011 Ram truck. So I'm about to just do the unboxing today. See what we're working with. Appreciate y'all following me on this journey to get this Ram truck done. This is gonna be the last little step right here. Here we go. Diablo tuner, DiabloSports. So I'm about to unbox this thing and read it off to y'all and really tell y'all what it's gonna do for my Ram truck. All right, so opening it up. We got a USB cord. Oh, this is a quick start guide, so I'm gonna be using this. Me and my mechanic gonna go step by step on getting this thing tuned. So you can change the sensitivity of the pedal. You know what I'm saying? You can you type in the rim size, tire size, and it'll give you some adjustments for your horsepower and all that through that. So man, technology came a long way. I can't wait to get this thing hooked up. And here's the actual device right here. It was like 400 and some change on Amazon. So I looked it up for my 2011 Ram and this one popped up. I watched a couple videos on YouTube to try to see what I'm gonna be getting myself into, but it's pretty simple, you know what I'm saying? Plug and play. Turn the key in the on position and then just go through your options on here to see what you want, what kind of horsepower is going to unlock. So when I get back over to my mechanics, we're gonna go through all this and I'm gonna let y'all go step by step with me through this whole process. And y'all can leave in the comments some suggestions on the tune that I should go with on my 2011 Ram truck. So that came with a little sticker too, so I might put that on somewhere on the truck to show I got a tune from Diablo. So yeah, it's called a performance programmer. So let's look at it right here. In a couple days or so, hopefully, I'll be dropping that video on getting my truck tuned. So this was a quick video, just an unboxing. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll holler at y'all in a minute.